two, Thomas, toys, you. Are you ready?
Today, we're gonna be playing with the Ryan's World's Combo Panda World Tour Airplane. Wow, look, it's the Combo Panda Airlines.
Yeah.
Wow, look, we have one airplane, 6 figures, and we have accessories. Yeah, cool. Samar, you want to turn it around?
Yeah.
Wow, look at all the toys it has inside. Look at all the minifigures you get inside. And you get food for your passengers on the airplane.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Combo Panda Airlines.
Yeah.
Where's the plane, Samar? There's the plane. And there's our minifigures, right? Here's all our minifigures here. It's Combo Panda.
Yeah, Combo Panda.
There's Lexi.
Yeah, Lexi.
Ryan. Gil. Penguin. Robo Dad. So it includes one plane, 2 wings, 6 figures, 1 passport book, 1 tablet, 2 French fries, 2 slices of pizza, 2 oranges, 1 ice cream, 1 rolling luggage, 4 food trays, 1 food cart, and 1 sticker sheet. Here's the stickers. All right, Samar, so are you ready to open your new toy?
Yeah.
All right, let's open it and see the World Tour airplane.
Yeah.
So here are the pieces that we got inside.
Yeah.
Samar, where's the airplane? Here's the airplane. Where's the wings for the airplane? Yeah. There's the wings for the airplane.
Yeah.
And where's our minifigures?
Yeah.
Our passengers.
Yeah.
So who are the passengers we got?
This one.
Who's that?
Robo Robot.
Robo Dad.
Yeah, Robo Dad.
And who's the next one? So we have Robo Dad.
Yeah, Robo Dad.
And then we have the Gil from Canada.
Yeah, Robo Dad.
And then we have Combo Panda.
Yeah, Combo Panda.
Where's Combo Panda? Yeah. Where's Ryan?
Yeah, Ryan.
Yeah, good job. Where's Penguin?
Penguin.
There's Penguin. Where's Lexi?
Lexi.
And we also got a sticker sheet.
Yeah.
Here's all the stickers with the different countries on there.
Yeah.
And we got a passport book.
Yeah, passport.
Samar, look, we got luggage here.
Yeah, Robot Dad and Robot Dad.
Yeah, there's Robot Dad. So we can put all our food in there.
Yeah.
Here's the serving trays.
Yeah, trays.
Samar, where's the pizza?
Pizza.
There's the pizza. Where's the fries?
Fries.
There's the fries.
2 fries and 1 fry, 2 fries.
Yeah, where's the ice cream?
Ice cream.
Yeah, where's the ice cream, Samar?
Green.
There's the ice cream.
Yeah.
And here's the oranges.
Yeah, oranges.
And we have little milk.
Yeah.
Milk. Yeah. We have milk.
Yeah,
And we
milk.
also have a tablet.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, go ahead, Samar. Put the wings on the airplane.
Yeah.
There's one on that side.
Yeah.
There you go. Good job. You want to put the one on the other side too?
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead and do the other side.
Yeah.
There you go. Good job, Summer. You got the wings on the airplane.
Yeah.
Okay, so do you want to open up the airplane and put your passengers inside?
Yeah.
Okay, let's open up the airplane. Let's open up the airplane. It should open from here.
Yeah.
There you go. Look at all the seats inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to put your passengers inside?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Here you go. This Combo Panda.
Yeah. Mommy.
Who's that?
This is Robo Dad.
Yeah, it's Robo Dad. Who's that? That's Gil.
Yeah, it's here.
There you go. Good job. Who you got next?
Penguin.
Penguin?
Yeah.
Cool. There you go. And who's that, Summer? Lexi. There you go. Good job. And last, who's that, Summer?
Ryan.
Ryan. There's Ryan on the airplane. There we go. We got all of our passengers inside. Good job. You want to close it?
Yeah.
You want to fly the airplane?
Yeah.
Yeah. Whoa. Cool. Airplane's flying.
Yep.
Now they're in the air. So you want to open it again?
Yeah.
You want to give everybody the food?
Yeah, everybody food.
Yeah, let's give everybody food. Let's open it again.
Yeah.
There we go. Serve everybody food?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. There you go. There's the serving trays.
Yeah. It's really good.
There you go. Pizza for Penguin. All right, you want to put the other serving tray down? Let's put this other serving tray down here.
Yeah, and I'll change that. Yeah.
There you go. Good job, Summer. And what is Gil gonna eat? Orange. There you go. Good job, Summer. So what is Ryan gonna eat?
Fries.
Okay, Ryan's gonna eat fries. Go ahead and give him fries. And you want to go ahead and do Lexi too? What are you gonna give Lexi? Yeah, go ahead and do Lexi's tray.
Yeah, listen to.
There you go. What is Lexi gonna eat?
And then fries.
She's gonna eat fries too?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead, put fries for her. Good job. Who should we give the tablet? Should we give Gil the tablet?
Yeah, tablet.
There you go. Gil got the tablet. And here we have the luggage in front of Combo Panda.
Yeah.
And there you go. Good job, Summer. Everybody eating their food.
Yeah, good.
What is that?
It's milk.
It's milk. Who are you going to give milk to?
One.
You're going to give milk to Robo Dad and to Combo Panda.
Yeah.
Good job, Summer. So, what is that, Summer?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Who are you going to give ice cream to?
Yeah.
Combo Panda?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So everybody got their food.
Yeah.
All right, Summer, go ahead and close the plane and let's fly it around.
Yeah.
There you go. Good job. There you go. Whoa, there goes the plane.
Yeah.
Good job, Summer.
Thank you. Right here. We just got. Bye.